this is how you make, what do you call this?
A soju.
Soju Korean mix. This whole thing, right?
Yep.
Okay, you get the Yakult and you pour it in your cup or your glass, right? This. And then you take your soju. Mine is the peach, but I really like grapefruit. And you pour all of it. Okay, you have to be. Because soju is very expensive.
That's true.
Okay? You know, in Boston, Justin and Antoinette went to a restaurant and they paid $15 for this. When here it's only $5.99.
Oh my gosh.
And then you take Sprite. Tell me when to stop, ha?
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. And then you shake. And then you pour it into your shot glasses. Thank you.